Hello everyone. So I got a request to show how this small roses are made. So in this tutorial I'm going to show how to make the small roses for any of your crochet project. So let's get started. So we will take any color of the yarn which you want your flower to be in, and the crochet hook as per the thickness of your yarn. So first we are going to make a slip knot. So I prefer to make slip knot like this. There are many other ways, you can follow whichever you like, but I like this method. And we are going to chain 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this will be your foundation chain to make the roses. Next we are going to skip one. So we are going to skip this chain and we are going to work in the second chain from the hook. So we will do one single crochet in this chain. So how we do single crochet? Put your yarn, pull out the loop. So you will have 2 loops on your crochet hook and pull through all 2 loops. So this is your one single crochet. In the next chain we are going to do an increase. What is increase is we are going to do 2 single crochet in the same stitch. So we'll put the hook, bring out and 1, and in the same stitch we are going to do one more single crochet. So this is your second part. Then in the next 2 stitch we are going to do in the next stitch only we are going to do 2 half double crochet. So for half double crochet we first yarn over, pull through the loop, pull through the stitch, bring out the yarn and pull through all 3 loops. I'll show one more time. So we are going to do one more half double crochet in the same stitch. So yarn over, go inside the stitch, pull the yarn and pull through all 3 loops. So this is your 2 half double crochet. Next we are going to do 3 double crochet in all the remaining stitches that we have. So for double crochet we'll again go in this stitch, next stitch, pull out the loop. Unlike half double crochet we'll do pull through 2 loops. So 1 and then again. So this is your 1 half double crochet, then again 2 half double crochet and 3 half double crochet. Okay, so again 3 half double crochet in the next one. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so we have 2 more chains to go. Again in the next chain we'll do 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet. Okay, and then the last one, 1, 2, and 3. You can, so this was the slip knot that we made. You can tighten it. Okay, and you can see that it has already started coiling. So I'll just recap. We skipped one stitch. We did 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet in the same stitch, 2 half double crochet in the same stitch, and then 3 double crochet in the all stitches. So what it gives is the height, if you see, it keeps increasing. So with single crochet we have the smaller height, with half double crochet little bit more height, and with double crochet we have the more height. So this way it will give definition to your roses. So now you can start curling it from inside. Okay, it will automatically curl, so you can just tighten it as per your liking. Okay, and we'll use the crochet hook itself to stitch. So what you will do is, wherever you are closing in the last petal of your rose, right, we'll just put our crochet hook. Okay, and we will pull. We'll pull through the stitch. Okay, and then we'll cut this yarn. So I've cut the yarn, and you can see it looks like a mini rose, and we can tie the knot here to tighten the rose, and then you can cut it through. So that way you can make multiple roses, and you can use it in any of your project, bouquets or charms, keychain, so anywhere you like. So this is for the today's tutorial. If you like the tutorial, please leave a thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel, and if you want me to make any more tutorials, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.